What's up, everybody? Welcome to the goddamn show. This right here is going to be a ThinkorSwim tutorial on alerts. I think that alerts are very underused on a lot of people's watch lists and things within ThinkorSwim. I happen to use alerts pretty much on every single stock that I'm watching or holding long term, looking for options, swing trading, all that stuff. Every single stock that I pretty much have on any type of watch list, I guarantee you has some type of alert on it somewhere. So right here on this chart, we're just looking at Facebook. This is what the alert looks like. Okay, I have it crossing above. You can barely see the arrow right here. It's going to alert on this price target. I'm going to show you how to set that up and why it could be beneficial in exiting, buying, selling, playing options, whatever your strategy is. Alerts can be used for it. So it's all gonna pretty much what I do. It's all gonna form around the price of the underlying stock. So for instance, Facebook right now is at 186.99. So if I just wanted to do something, just a simple alert, let's just start simple. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you obviously how to set them up before I forget. There is no way to do it inside the phone app. I have not found a way at all to do it inside the phone app or any other application like that. I have to do it on the PC as far as I know. You're going to go to the top right, setup, application settings. You're going to open notifications. I'm not going to open it because it's going to reveal a lot of personal information that I don't want to have to edit out in the video editing. So basically you're going to open it up. You're going to set your email address. If you haven't already, you're going to set your phone number, and then you're going to set the alerts that you want, price alerts, all that stuff. Do you want text messages, just program alerts, just email alerts, whatever? I've checked them all. I have found, I kind of want to disclose this, I have found that the text message alerts during or right at open of the market is kind of delayed 15-30 minutes sometimes. So the alerts within the application on your phone, if you have that, they'll be a little quicker. But overall, they will be pretty quick right as it happens, so you can stay on top of the stock that you're looking at. So you'll set that. That way you will get notified. And now let's go into actually how to set one up. So back where I was, let's say this is the daily candle for Facebook. It's closed right around here at 186.99. So let's say I wanted to put it up here where it kind of met a resistance at yesterday. I can right click, create an alert, stock, Facebook, it's what we want. Obviously I like to do last, at or above said price, let's say 160 or 188.60. I can set the note, right? It's going to be green, so let's just say green. It'll be green that day. Everything else, once you do set this, make sure you go through and set all this. You want your sound, you want your email, all specific email addresses, you want text messages, doesn't matter the hours, as well as sending push notifications to mobile devices, like through the app if you have it on the phone. Okay. This is all it's going to show. I use implied volatility on mine because I trade options. But basically, you're just going to want the market price, which is fine. But if you want any of these checked, you can also go through that. Any news, sizzling, anything like that, you can select those. This is expiration, so you can have the alert expire at a certain time. That way, you don't have to go back and delete it. As for me, I pretty much update my charts almost every day on a lot of different stocks, so I tend to go delete them myself. But once I get done with that, I'll create it. It'll show here, so that'll be last price greater than or equal to 188.60. So once it crosses above that, I should be getting my alerts on all of my devices that I've checked. The cool thing about alerts, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that. The cool thing about alerts is you can also use it on your trends, like your lines, your analysis. So if I have an uptrend here, right, for Facebook, and I wanted to put an alert if it ever broke that trend, I can do the same thing here. I get on my trend, create alert with the drawing, crosses below, and I can put take profit, exit, whatever. If I didn't want to hold it anymore, I can put that there, expiration, no, that doesn't matter. All this should have saved from the first time that I used it, and then I'll create it. So now it's going to be not anywhere in the past, obviously, but now it's going to be like that until, you know, I delete it. So it can also be used on obviously any pretty much any drawing. You'll have to play around with it, but you just go to it, create alert with the drawing, crosses above. So this will be my first price target. Everything should save, create, and now it should be with the date and so on and so forth. Have that alert set. When it does cross, you know, I can take advantage of, you know, if that's where I wanted to take profit in a swing trade or an option, whatever. I know now it's time. If my analysis follows that, have a somewhat of a support right here. Do the same thing to it. Crosses below or crosses below. I'll just say support. Same thing. Crosses below. Anytime you want to delete them, you go up to them, just hit the X on them. This is going to be weird because it's not there. Go. And that's all I got, man. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a great tool. Again, it's an awesome tool that I've used and come to love. It always helps me keep up with everything, you know, when you can't look at every single chart at every second. So if y'all enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.